Hi, my name is Manju,
And I'm Mukul Malhan.
and we are co founders of Studio Kintsugi. At Studio Kintsugi, we believe that every space has a potential of becoming something bigger and better. This project is called Sukoon 2.0 because this is our second project with the same clients. This is their second home that we did, and this is very close to our hearts.
Earlier in 2021, we did the first home in Dehradun, which was the Sukoon. And since then, we have become like a family.
So after crossing the foyer, आप living room में enter करोगे. Living room is the heart of the house because यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा conversations हमारी होती है. The challenge was that a few of the furniture pieces like the bookcase and the sofas were already there, and we had to design around it so that everything merges together, and that's how we planned it. But we added a little interesting bit to it. We added some color like the green on the curtain and the red from the foyer to the paneling space. The bookcase was very old. We renovated it and we added it to the TV unit so that एक uniform flow रहे पूरे space का. And lighting has been a major concern for us, so we have kept everything very ambient and soft lighting is there, which is enjoyable during the night time. So this is our dining cum mandir space. Mandir was very tricky for us because vastu ke according we had to place the idols in a certain direction, but we came with a solution that will make it as a panel on both sides and will add it as a partition between the mandir and the dining space. Here we have also recreated a crockery unit by using the old one and integrating it with the new part, which is this curved part here. And it has a very nice painting of Nandi, which is highlighted here. The dining table was very old, but it was solid wood and we did not want it to get wasted. So we reupholstered the dining table and gave it a fresh look, and we also added a new countertop to the dining table. So kitchen is a very crucial part of a house, and यहाँ पे भी same था. यहाँ पे the kitchen, the size was big enough, but the functionality we had to add because it was not properly planned. So we replanned the kitchen. We added the overhead cabinets. We added extra storage to it, but the main challenge was the fridge because the fridge was coming in the corner and we did not want it to be in the corner. We wanted a tall unit. We wanted more storage in the kitchen. So we smartly redesigned a wall and we made it into complete storage. We knocked it off, we added a new partition, and you can't even tell if it's a wall or a partition. And we have also used the curve in the partition, which looks very elegant. And storage has been added on the both side as well as in the front side, which is facing the dining space. Kitchen also needed a dishwasher, so we extended the pipeline from the sink and we added new dishwasher. We installed a new sink.
So this is the guest bedroom. यहाँ पे जो हमारा ये बेड है, ये बेड नहीं है, सोफा कम बेड है. ये हमने परचेज किया था सुकून, द सुकून के टाइम पे, एंड वी ब्रॉट इट हियर इन द सुकून 2.0. एंड हमें इस रूम में ज़्यादा कलर्स नहीं इंट्रोड्यूस करने थे, न्यूट्रल रखना था, बट स्टिल थोड़ा प्लेफुल करने के लिए वी प्लेड विद द वॉलपेपर. देन द वार्डरोब ये ओरिजिनली बिल्डर के साइड से दी हुई थी, बट कंप्लीटली रिवैम्प की हमने. पहले वुडन टेक्सचर था इसमें, नाउ इट इज वाइट. देन द ड्रेसिंग, वी हैव द मिरर फॉर द गेस्ट, एंड या तो हम मिरर छोटा करते या फिर हमें स्विचेस की पोजीशन चेंज करनी पड़ती, तो वी वेंट विद वर्टिकल स्विचेस. सो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पार्ट्स अबाउट दिस होम इज इट्स बालकनी. Even though it's sitting on the 6th floor, you won't feel that it is on the 6th floor. कि बिल्कुल ground floor जैसा ही लगता है. इतनी wide balconies हैं and we try to utilize them the best way possible. So let's come to the master bedroom. As soon as you enter the master bedroom, you will see that we have separated the sitting area and the sleeping area using only the false ceiling. There is no other division. And we have highlighted the niche wall behind the sitting area using ambient lighting and subtle textured wallpaper. We had used a sliding door. This is not actually a wall because there's a door behind it and we didn't want to get rid of the door. We didn't want to, fix anything over it जिससे खत्म हो जाए हमारी ventilation and sunlight. Because bed के बिल्कुल सामने है तो privacy भी बनी रहनी चाहिए जब हमें चाहिए, and जब हमें light and ventilation चाहिए तो वो खुल भी जाना चाहिए. And on the opposite side we have a nice reading area with an electric recliner where you can spend hours sipping your coffee, reading your book, or just enjoying the view outside the window. We are really glad that Mr. Arora put their trust in us for turning this empty space into their forever home.
And we would like to be part of your journey of turning your dreams into reality.